UP was known as, whenever we were in Maharashtra basically, so UP is like a crime state. So people feared there, but now it's a safe place. UP has changed. I was in Lucknow a few times. I've been to places. It's changed, you know. So you feel that, oh wow, this government has done, and people love it. That's important.
Rekha is from India and she is visiting her friend Kadambari, and they both have joined the Modi March here in by the Thames. We are all walking. Tell me, did you not have enough of election in India to come and do the same here?
No, unfortunately I had to come and meet my daughter, and I'm missing the election time in India. But fortunately I met friend like Kadambari, and she asked me, and husband Rohit asked me to join here, and I'm like, जो मेरा वहाँ पे मिस हो रहा है यहाँ पे मैं फुलफिल कर रही हूँ. I'm supporting.
अच्छा. So what is it that a lot of people here won't be able to vote, and you are here in the voting season? That's not.
I'm going May, so I'm going to vote. I'm not missing my voting.
Oh, you're not missing it. That's good. That's good to hear. You're missing a lot. Yes, indeed. But let me first speak to your friend and tell me, how has India changed, and what makes you kind of enthusiastic?
See, after Modi ji came in, we can see the whole infrastructure has changed. It's not that the earlier government haven't done anything, but yeah, it's speed. I believe in speed, how fast it's been going on. 2 tenures and everything has been really fast on its track. And now we're getting all the Vande Bharat trains, a lot of flights, a lot of infrastructure, a lot of roads, a lot of highways coming up. Beautiful ones. If you come to Mumbai and see, we've got from this ocean, we've got lovely stuff, you know. But we can, our traveling time has decreased. And the best part is the respect that we get. Now when we're walking around, we met a lot of, I would say, foreigners, and almost everybody knew Modi. The respect that Indians get now when we go out, when we meet international people. That's the best.
Now you made your friend join. Indeed, but you're not going to be able to vote. She's going back to vote.
Yeah, I'm missing. I'm missing a lot my voting right.
Yeah, you do. What makes you join this march?
He's doing a lot of things for women in India. I saw a lot of rule got changed for Muslim women. So I think he's doing a lot. His focus is for women empowerment. So I am here last 4-5 years, so I'm not in very much touch all the policies they are following in India, but overall it's doing very good. I am from UP and I saw a very good actually law and order in UP. It's improved quite a lot. Yeah, we all enjoy it. Every time when I go India, I see a different picture. Every time it's new. Everywhere you see it's improving. Infrastructure is improving. Roads are improving. Highways are improving. Everything is improving.
Okay. Do you want to go back?
I would add here of the UP. UP was known as, whenever we were in Maharashtra basically, so UP is like a crime state. So people feared there, but now it's a safe place. UP has changed. I was in Lucknow a few times. I've been to places. It's changed, you know. So you feel that, oh wow, this government has done, and people love it. That's important.
Okay, right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, 2 friends joining here on the march for Modi here in London. Everyone has their own set of reasons, but overriding, of course, being the fact that the perception about them has changed, and the infrastructure of India has changed. It is far more respectable, or respected rather, everywhere in the world. But various reasons, people are here joining and marching for Modi in London. Lavina Tandon for India Today from London.